Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on your PC. Roblox is a fantastic platform where you can play and create games, and getting it installed is super easy. Let's get started. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Roblox on your PC. Now you can dive into the amazing world of Roblox and start playing or creating your own games. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.